After exercise 15b, our next topic is multiplication and division of decimal numbers. So if we are dividing or multiplying a decimal number by 10 or a higher power of 10, so what we are getting simply. Example, if you are having 353 upon 100, so now you are dividing 353 by 100. So whenever you are dividing a particular number from 10 or a higher power of 10, so in this case you are dividing by 100. So decimal that we have to move to the left side from last. So as you can see, 2 zeros we are having here. So 1, then 2. Number of zeros, that means number of steps we have to move. So 2 zeros are there, so we will take 2 steps. So 1, 2. So your final answer will be 3.53. Okay. Then what when we are having, for example, 3.135, and now we are multiplying this by 10. So as you can see, now we are multiplying by 10. So only 1 zero is here. So this decimal will move to one place towards right side. So this side. So answer will be 31.35. This will happen only in the case of 10 or a higher power of 10. Means 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. For example, 43.56, then 1000. Clear? So 3 zeros we are having here. So it will make 3 jumps to the right hand side. So the first, second and third. So we can write 43, then 560, and you can also solve like this: 43, 56 into 1000. So after decimal you are having 2 places, so just remove the decimal and write upon 100. So this 0, 0 get cancelled, 0, 0 again cancelled, then 4356 into 10. So required answer 43,560. Clear? Then next we are starting by exercise 15c. Exercise 15c, question number 1, multiply. So first question is 5.6 and 8. So we have to multiply 5.6 into 8. Clear? So as you can see, in this 5.6, one place after decimal we are having. Clear? So just one place only we are having here. One place after decimal. So now we will write this as 56 into 8. So 8 6 are 48, carry 4, 8 5 are 40, 40 plus 4, 44. Clear? So we are getting 448, but one place after decimal we are having. So from the last we will take one place. So required answer is 44.8. Clear? So like this you have to solve. Then one more question. Second, you can solve, actually all the questions are same, the process is same. For example, last question, 0.636 into 1.83. Clear? So in this we are having 3 places after decimal, in this we are having 2 places. So this 3 plus 2, total 5 places we are having. So just write this as 636 into 183. Clear? So just multiply this. 8, then 0, then 9, then 1. Okay, then 636 into 8. So 5088. You know how to multiply. Okay, then in the last 636 into 1, 636. Okay, so from there we are getting 8, 8, then 9 plus 8, 17, then 17 plus 6, 23, 2 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 5, 11. So So we are getting here 116388 and 5 places total after decimal we are having. So from the last we will make 5 jumps to the left hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means your answer is 1.16388. Clear? So in this way you have to solve questions. So question number 1 you can solve. Question number 2 is evaluate, which is same as question number 1. Okay, so only difference is in question number 1 we had that 2 digits, that means 2 values for multiplication, and in question number 2 you are having 3 values for multiplication. Clear? So the process is same. For example, 0.2 into 0.002 into 0.001. Okay, so the first we will write this as 2, this is also as 2, this is also as 1. So 0.2, 1 place of decimal, then 3 place of decimal, then again 3 place of decimal. So 1 plus 3 plus 3, total 7 places of decimal. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. Now the 7 places after decimal we will have, but only 4 we are having. So what we will do here, simply we will write 0. So this is your required answer. Okay, so do the same for all questions in question number 2. Then question number 2 you can solve. Question number 3 is also easy, which I explained you in the starting of this video. Multiply the following numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, so for example 0.3725. so first we are multiplying by 10. So 10, that means decimal will move to right side 1 place. So 3.725 required answer. Then what when we are multiplying with 100? So into 100, and now decimal will make 2 jumps. So 37.25. Okay, then what when we are multiplying with 1000? So it will make 3 jumps. So the answer is 372.5. So like this you have to solve question number 3. Then question number 4 is again evaluate, in which we have to divide. The first question is 8.64 divided by 8. So as you know about division, this is not a new topic to you. Already you have studied this in class 4th and 5th. So first is 8.64. Now divide this by 8. So 8 1 ja 8, 0. Now decimal we are having here, so decimal. Now bring 6 down, so 6. As you know 6 is not divisible by 8, 6 is less than 8. So we will write 0. So this 0 we have to write. Then we will bring this 4 down, 4. So 8 8 ja 64. Okay, so 1.08 is required quotient, required answer. So you can solve question number 4 also. That is very easy. Already you have studied this. Then question number 5, divide. Divide each of the following numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. So the 3 questions only you are having. I am solving 0.0704. First, when we are dividing by 10, so it will make 1 jump to the left hand side. So after decimal how much places you are having? 4, and एक 0 ये भी हो जाएगा. डिवाइड में प्लेसेस बढ़ते हैं, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे डेसिमल के बाद कितने प्लेस है? 4 प्लेस है. एक 0 ये, अब कितना हो जाएगा? 5 प्लेस. तो 0.00704. ठीक है. अभी अगर 100 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो अब क्या होगा? डेसिमल के बाद 4 प्लेसेस है, 100 में 2 0, तो टोटल 6 प्लेसेस. तो डेसिमल के बाद 6 वैल्यूज़ होंगी. तो 0.000704. देन इफ़ वी आर डिवाइडिंग बाई 1000, क्लियर, तो एक 0 और हो जाएगा. 0.000704. 3 0 इसमें और 4 प्लेसेस यहाँ पे. 3 + 4 7 प्लेसेस. It's very easy. You had studied this topics in class 4 and 5. Okay, then question number 6. Question number 6 is important because that values maybe you will have in next classes on in the some questions when you have to divide a number by a decimal number, then a decimal number by another decimal number. Clear? So question number 6. In question number 6, last one, 3.24 divided by 0.0016. So we can write this as 3.24 divided by 0.0016. तो कभी भी अगर आपको इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस मिलते हैं जिसमें आपको एक नंबर को अगर डेसिमल नंबर से डिवाइड करना हो या एक डेसिमल नंबर को दूसरे डेसिमल नंबर से डिवाइड करना हो, तो डिनोमिनेटर आपको डेसिमल फ्री करना है। डिनोमिनेटर आपको क्या करना है? डेसिमल फ्री करना है। डिनोमिनेटर में डेसिमल नहीं होना चाहिए, फिर आपका डिवीज़न काफ़ी इजी हो जाएगा। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में डेसिमल के बाद कितने प्लेस हैं? 4 प्लेस हैं। दैट मीन्स आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 4 ज़ीरोज़ का अलॉन्ग विथ 1, तो ऊपर भी वही मल्टीप्लाई होगा। ठीक है, अब देखो ये डेसिमल के बाद कितने प्लेस हैं? 2 प्लेस हैं, और यहाँ पे कितने ज़ीरो हैं? 4 ज़ीरो हैं। तो ये 4 जंप करेगा, तो ये 1 2 2 जंप तो ये हो गए, आगे तो कुछ नहीं है। तो तीसरे जंप में एक ज़ीरो ऐड होगा, चौथे जंप में भी एक ज़ीरो ऐड होगा। क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 3 2 4 0 0, और यहाँ नीचे तो ऑलरेडी 4 ज़ीरोज़ हैं, तो ये 4 जंप करेगा, 1 2 3 4, तो नीचे आएगा 16। समझ में आ रहा है? करना क्या है? डिनोमिनेटर को हमेशा डेसिमल फ्री करना है। ओके, सो नाउ सॉल्व दिस। 32400 डिवाइड बाय 16। ओके, सो जस्ट सॉल्व दिस। योर रिक्वायर्ड आंसर इज 2025. हाउ यू कैन reduce this to further? 16 1 जा 16, or you can do like 4 4 जा 16, 4 8 जा 32, 4 1 जा 4, then followed by 2 zeros. Okay, then 8100 divided by 4, so 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 1 जो है वो डिविजिबल नहीं होता, तो 4 0 जा 0, अब ये 1 के साथ आएगा 0, ये हो जाएगा 10, 4 2 जा 8, 2 रिमेनिंग 0 हो जाएगा 20, 4 5 जा 20, सो 2025 रिक्वायर्ड आंसर। ओके, वन मोर क्वेश्चन। फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ यू आर हैविंग 37.188, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, डिवाइड बाय 3.6। तो यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में डेसिमल के पास सिर्फ एक प्लेस है, तो एक प्लेस को हटाने के लिए एक जंप के लिए एक ज़ीरो, तो 10/10, तो ये कितना होगा? 371.88, और नीचे आ जाएगा 36, तो ये 371.88 डिवाइड बाय 36। क्लियर? जस्ट सॉल्व दिस, डिवाइड दिस, you will get required answer. Okay, so your answer will be like 10.33. Okay, and the last question, question number 7, you can solve. Question number 8 is evaluate, in which you have to follow BODMAS. So nothing is new there, you can solve. If you are having any doubt in this exercise, do message.